The first tricky part for getting to your cabin air filters is getting the glove box out. The part that you have to take out is this corner over here. You'll see it pops out right here. You see that? It pops out, and what you want to do is you want to turn it, and then you want to pull on it until the glove box gets loose, and then pop, and then take the other side, push it in a little bit so that the glove box falls this way. Now that we got the glove box open, you'll see that there's a slot over here on the right there. And you have to look up inside there, and you'll see that there's a little tang right there. But you're going to pull it down, and it should open a little door, right? So pull the door out. Then with the tool, I'm going to try it with the tool this time. Let's see. Because last time when I took it out, I tried with my fingers, and it was a pain. So let's see. There's your first filter. Pull it down. Take it out. Oh yeah, it's much easier. Yeah. Okay, there's the first filter. Okay, now you'll notice that if you look deeper in there, you'll see there's another tab right there. See it right there? So what you gotta do is you pull it down and slide it over. This one's a little more complicated because it's actually over to the right. All right, then use your tool to grab it with and pull it out. So what I did was, I took my filter out. I've already taken these out, and I cleaned it with my shop vac. I blew it out from the back side, and to blow the excess dirt out. Okay. What you got to be sure of to do is, you see it says up on here. You got to be sure when you put it back in there. I'm gonna put it back in there now. That you stick it in there, that side up. Then you got to slide it over. And you slide it over. Okay. Like that. It slides over and up. So you see now it's up. Then we're going to slide what it was. Now we slide this one in there. Like this. All the way in and up. It has to pop up. See it pops up? Okay. Now we're going to put the door back on there. Put the door back in there. The door will not go back on there unless the filters are in a bright spot. So let's see if I did it right. There it goes. And we're back in place. And that's how you change the filters.